One other trade that I did today, and we spoke about it this morning, is gold. I don't know if anybody watched gold. I'm really bullish on gold right now. We had this 4 hour inversion on Friday, and then whatever happened last night kind of screwed up the price action today. But I still like this inversion, even though it kind of re-inverted with this candle. But we started to move higher this morning, meaning like we wanted to. And we created this 1 hour fair value gap right down here. So I always had my eye on it. And, you know, a lot of people will get scared after you make a move like this and then have one big candle like this. But all they're doing is coming back and rebalancing to go higher. And we can't really be afraid of that. So to go on the 5 minute chart from the 1 hour this morning, okay, we tapped in to this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Okay, and then let me just take off all this, make it clear. We tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap, and then we created an inverse fair value gap right here. And this was a great trade to external highs right here. I think this was like a 5-to-1 risk to reward trade. This is a textbook setup. Textbook. You have SMT, you're delivering from a 1 hour fair value gap. You have SMT with silver. You have an inverse fair value gap. You exit out. I would have liked to have seen a little bit more momentum. So here's a little key. You see this candle right here? Technically, this finished above the fair value gap, but I didn't enter on that. Why? What's wrong with that candle? Yeah, shooting star. Whatever that means, all it means is that price went up and was rejecting prices, right? I don't want to see that. Yeah, rejection. It's perfect. It's rejecting. For some reason, it's rejecting. So I don't want to see that. But then we come back in with a down candle, and then we engulf that down candle. Now we have a little bit more momentum on this candle. So that's when I entered. But this candle just didn't give me the warm and fuzzies. But after we had a down candle and finished above that, and this little tail here didn't thrill me, but this candle was much more momentum than this. This is almost closing near the lows. I didn't like that at all, And then you have a 5 minute fair value gap here that it created. So sometimes you can go down to the 1 minute, right? Now you're on the 1 minute. Okay, and you could have waited for price to come into that, delivering from a 5 minute fair value gap. I'm not going to the 30-second on this. And then you have that's the inverse fair value gap right there. You could have gone long a little bit higher with a little confirmation. And that's how you go from the hour to the 5 minute and execute on a 1 minute or a 30-second. Perfect example. NQ, I wouldn't do this because once NQ and you see this, once it inverses with momentum, it goes. But good trade on gold today. This was textbook.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.